not a food festival, it's where the food business gets done. This platform is built exclusively for trade, bringing together manufacturers, brands, and decision makers in one high-intent environment. In 3 intensive business days, 250 plus exhibiting companies connect with more than 15,000 trade professionals across 15 high-volume categories. With participation from 40 plus supermarket and retail chains, conversations move beyond sampling toward listings, procurement, and long-term supply.
We are seeing a lot of quality people coming in today. We are meeting a lot of our existing customers and we've had a lot of new leads also.
This is a business-first platform where manufacturers don't just display products, they negotiate distribution, secure partnerships, and expand market reach. In fast-moving markets, proximity to decision makers creates advantage. Position your brand where sourcing decisions are made.